How's quarantining going?
No.
How's quarantining going? Quarantining? Quarantine? Okay. Quarantine? All right. Quarantine? No? How's everyone's quarantine going? Not all at once. Quarantine? Cute. Going outside. I'm gonna get stung by a bee. Y'all see that bee?
Oh.
Oh, he's scared of me. Hello.
They chase you. It's all smeared out everywhere.
Well, I mean, it's not perfect, but...
No. You need to work on your coloring skills. That's like kindergarten status.
What?
Past kindergarten?
I didn't do the back one. I did the front one, though.
The front one looks just as bad.
Well, it's a chalk marker. It's not like real marker or anything, so it can't be exact.
Yeah, it can.
What's going on today, Bread Gang? So to give you guys a little bit of context, if you guys saw my last video, you guys know that she's running away from the bees right now. Wow. You guys know that, you know, we did the white walls on the truck, and it turned out pretty good. We're in the middle of this whole quarantine thing, and I'm, you know, trying to figure out what I can do on YouTube. I've got some videos planned that I want to go do, but I can't really leave the house, or she's not really wanting me to leave the house, so trying to figure it out. You know, we're trying to figure out some content for you guys, something that we can do. But I want to give you guys an update on the white wall letters. They really have a chainsaw back there right now. So when I did the white walls, I bought this stupid little tire, you know, marker chalk piece from AutoZone, and it didn't really turn out as well as I wanted it to. So if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys saw the picture I posted with me sitting on the tire. I got some better chalk from work, and I actually redid the letters. Now the letters actually, I know she was just talking crap about them, but they look a hell of a lot better now. I mean, it's definitely, I mean, it'll smear if you touch it, so it's definitely not permanent or anything. But I used that thumbnail for this video because I'm really considering doing something a little more permanent. I think the idea is on point. Now the finished product with the chalk is probably not the best, but I mean, the idea and the direction that we want to go is, I definitely think it's something that we should look into. So I'm gonna start, I think, during this quarantine, making some shorter daily videos for you guys. It's gonna be really hard to get full videos done all the time during this quarantine because you can't really go anywhere and do anything. I am still able to go to work and, you know, work like normal, but it's hard for me to, you know, to get out and go places and buy things and be able to film normal videos for you guys. So I wanna, you know, kind of film some shorter, smaller videos and just, you know, kind of have fun with it for the next couple of weeks or however long this whole quarantine stuff goes on. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Still scratching at the door? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I mean, I really plan on doing something a little more permanent with these. I think it turned out really good. The whole white walls. I think this is the first time anybody's done white walls on a 375. I might be wrong, maybe not, but I think it turned out really good. Like she said, they are smeared a little bit, but I mean, it's the thought that counts. But so you guys can get a little bit of a comparison, this is the truck with the black sidewalls, and this is the truck with the white sidewalls. I think the white sidewalls definitely look better. They give it just a little bit of like a race truck feel. They add some color into it. I really like it. I don't care what y'all say. I like it. I'm really thinking about doing something more permanent. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna make it more permanent, whether I want to do like some stickers or if I want to do like a permanent paint marker or something. I don't know yet, but we're trying to figure something out. I don't know. But I've got some other videos planned for you guys. I'm gonna try and shorten them up and throw them on YouTube in the next couple of days. I wanna put some vinyl on the truck, maybe wrap a fender or something, or you know, just, you know, trying to, you know, get some good content for you guys. But the point is, let me know in the comments below if you guys think I should, you know, kind of leave the tire paint on there as something a little more permanent. I'm gonna run back inside and see what's going on. I think I want to start daily vlogging. You want a daily vlog with me? I think Dobie will daily vlog with me. I don't know if Christina will daily vlog with me. Sit there and look confused. I can deal with that. I can do that. Let me know in the comments, guys. I'm gonna try and keep these videos under 5 minutes. I'm trying not to get stung by a bee. Holy crap, stung by a bee here. Let me know in the comments. Daily vlogs, tire letters. Start just uploading all the time. I miss you guys. I want to see you guys more often. I think shorter videos would be a good idea. Maybe. I'll still do like the normal, you know, 10-15 minute videos, but I'll come up with some some more content so we can do daily vlogs. I think that'd be cool. I've never done like a daily vlog challenge. We can make this like a challenge. See, you know, how many days in a row I can daily vlog and keep the content going. I feel like that'd be kind of fun. Just keep a count. Maybe come up with like a vlog series, daily vlog. I don't know. I'll come up with something, you know, bread vlogs, bow tie vlogs, something. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. You guys are the best. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.